Namaste. So let us practice a seated Vinyasa flow. So let's get started with Dandasana. Stretch both the legs in the front and keep your spine straight. Place your both the palms beside your hips. And as you inhale, slowly lift your right leg up away from the floor. Exhale down your right leg. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, raise your right hand up. Exhale down. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale down. Inhale, raise your both the hands up over your head. As you exhale, slowly do forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Inhale, raise your both the hands over your head. Exhale, right Bonamanasana. Place your palms beside your mat on the mat. Place your both the palms beside your hips on the mat. Inhale, raise your both the hands over your head to the ceiling. Exhale, Paschimottanasana, forward bend. Inhale, raise your hands up over your head. Exhale, bend to the left side, Bonamanasana. Inhale, raise your hands up over your head. Exhale, bend forward, Paschimottanasana. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, place your both the palms behind your hips, Purvottanasana. Lift your buttocks up. And exhale, drop your buttocks on the mat. Inhale, raise your both the hands over your head. Exhale, Paschimottanasana. Inhale, raise your both the hands up. Now exhale, Vakrasana. Right leg, fold it. Fold your right leg, knee pointing to the ceiling. Exhale, twist to the right side. Hold your right ankle with left hand. Twist to the right side, your right hand behind your hip. Look at your right shoulder. Inhale, back to the center, raise your both the hands over your head. Straighten the leg, exhale, forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Inhale, raise your both the hands over your head. Exhale, right leg, Vakrasana. Twist to the right side. Place the right hand behind your hip. Look at your right shoulder. Inhale, raise your both the hands over your head. Come to the center. Straighten the leg. Exhale, Paschimottanasana. Inhale, raise your both the hands up over your head. Exhale, left leg. Twist to the left, Vakrasana. Inhale, come back to the center, raise your both the hands over your head. Exhale, forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Inhale, raise your both the hands over your head. Exhale, place your both the palms behind your hips, reverse table. Fold your both the legs and lift your buttocks and hold. Exhale, drop your buttocks on the mat. Inhale, stretch your both the hands in the front. Straighten your both the legs and slowly roll back on the mat to supine position. Stretch your both the hands in the sides. Inhale, rise your right leg up to the ceiling. Place your right foot on the left knee, Uddara-Karshanasana. Drop the right knee to the left side. Inhale, back to the center. Release the right leg. And inhale, left leg up to the ceiling. Exhale, slowly drop your left knee to the right side with the support of your right hand. And inhale, slowly come back to the center. Exhale down your leg. Inhale, fold your both the legs and get into Setu Bandhasana. Lift your buttocks up. Exhale, drop your buttocks on the mat. Inhale, raise your both the legs up to Utthana Padasana. Exhale, Ananda Balasana. Inhale, Utthana Padasana. Exhale, Pavana Muktasana. Hug yourself and hold. Bring your chin between your knees. Inhale, release the posture, and exhale, get into Naukasana, high boat. Exhale, slowly roll back and release Naukasana. Slowly roll over to your stomach. Palms beside your chest. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, down. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, Tiryak Bhujanga. Turn to the right side. Exhale, center. Inhale, twist to the left side, Tiryak Bhujanga. Exhale, down your chest. Stretch above the hands behind, Vimanasana. Lift your both the legs and hands and chest up, Vimanasana. Now stretch above the hands in the front, Viparita Shalabhasana. Now place your both the palms beside your chest and get into Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale down your body to Makarasana. Inhale slowly beside your chest. Place your both the palms and get into Bhujanga. Exhale down your chest. Fold your both the legs and catch hold your ankles. Get into Dhanurasana. Lift your chest up. Pull your legs upward and backward to Dhanurasana. Release your both the legs slowly and stretch your both the hands forward to Viparita Shalabhasana. Viparita Shalabhasana. Lifting your both the legs up. And then slowly relax your legs. Relax your both the hands under the chin. Makarasana. Slowly roll over to your back. Relax in Shavasana.